Okay, welcome to Happy Piano. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Für Elise. Okay, so we're going to have the fingers over the 5 notes here. So the thumb over the A and going up. Then we're going to play the half tone from the E down. Okay, and then we're going to use the fingers 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay, that's the first little bit. And then we're going to go and do this chord here. That's the next bit. Then the next chord here. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So it should be like this. See? And then we repeat that again. But the second time we go here. And then we go here. Okay? So we're just using these notes. And then when we start the second half of the song, we're going to go up. We're going to have the fingers over these notes again. And then we're going to go up from the B to the E. Okay? So we go from the dun, 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 dun. And we go from the G at the bottom. And then the F. And then we go from the F. And then we go down to the E. Okay? All right, with the left hand, we're going to play with chords. So we're going to start with the A minor. That's 1, 3, 5, the classic, and then the E. That's pretty much the only 2 chords used for the first half of the song, okay? When you start off playing like this, and then when you get better, you can roll the chord then. By rolling, I mean, so okay, and when you get fully professional, then you can do the original. Okay, so and then the second half of the song, when it starts off from the B, we're going to go up to the C chord, play it here, and then we do G, then A minor, and then E. Okay, and then obviously when you get more and more professional, you're going to roll them too. Okay, as followed. So there you go, a quick tutorial on how to play Für Elise. I'll play it for you. Now go away and impress your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.